It's time for an upgrade. But this time we won't be talking about hardware or peripherals. Instead, this upgrade will be great for your body, spine, and posture. Sadie's has a whole bunch of gaming chairs, and we've got a surprise for you.
Hey guys, this is Rick Novleski with Techspin. So whether you're doing a long gaming session or just have to finish that document, ergonomics is super important to make sure that it keeps your spine and your sitting posture in the correct position so you won't have any back problems and so that you have a comfortable and enjoyable experience at your computer. So we were sent this massive shipment by Sadie's, which we need to review, and we got the Draco and the Pegasus and the top of the line Unicorn, and I think today we'll start with the Draco. So join us for the unboxing and our thoughts and our review right after this.
Okay, so today we've got the Sadie's Draco, the entry-level gaming chair, but still with quite a bunch of adjustability to go with the $410 US list price. Inside the box we have the chair base and removing cardboard. The backrest is fitted into the seat assembly. Carefully removing that, there's an instruction guide in a sealed pouch. This box contains the casters, and this is the base adjustment for the height and seat back, and the headrest pillow. The Draco gaming chair has a large seat area, suitable for larger gamers. It has soft PU leather covering the whole chair section. And it has really nice stitching and very nice work on the logos too. The backrest goes quite high, and it really has nice neck and back support. It comes with the lumbar cushion already attached, which is vertically adjustable with the straps that wrap around the top and bottom. You can also unclip and remove it if you like. There's also a headrest cushion to better support your neck and head. Attaching the headrest is easy. Just slide the plastic bracket through the slot and position it for your comfort. All done. The Draco's casters are bigger than most, and they are super smooth. The base sure seems very sturdy and strong. And the chair can handle up to 160 kilograms, just over 350 pounds of weight. You do have to assemble the chair yourself, though the instructions make it really easy with one small exception, which I'll get to later. Snap-on covers hide the two bolts on either side of the chair back, and they complete the finished look. Sadie's calls these 4D armrests as they have 4 directions of adjustability: side to side, front and back, and they can also pivot out or in as you like. They also have height adjustment to suit your needs. Underneath the seat you have a tilt adjust, and that's good because this chair goes way back. Here I pull the handle and go back, and you'll see me grip a little as I get scared I'll flip, as I would on other chairs, but I don't. Back up, the chair goes to the airline upright position, so I put it back to something more comfortable. I used a rubber hammer to carefully bang on the 2 levers below the seat, and they lock the tilting, and the other is the height adjustment. As you can guess, for a chair weighing 25 kilos, the chair is built very solidly, and I was pleasantly surprised at the quality, feel, and construction. I think it's a very good effort by Sadie's here to make a premium gaming chair even at their entry level.
Please take a moment to like this video, and if you like what you see, then please do subscribe and click the bell icon to get notified when I upload new content.
So this is my first gaming chair I'm reviewing, and honestly, I was surprised that it had the quality that it did. I bought some fairly decent adjustable chairs for my workstation and studio setup, which felt pretty good, but until now I kind of thought that gaming chairs were a little bit more gimmick than functional. So I'm surprised and happy to be proven wrong in this case, with the Sadie's Draco at just under $410 US, costing much more than a cheap adjustable chair, but you can really see what you're paying for in the build quality and adjustability, which makes it worth the money in my books, and ranks a 10 on the meter. The stitching is really nicely done and adds to a premium feel, and I like the lumbar and the neck pillows, although you might want to cover the neck pillow with a towel as the white will get a little dirty from skin contact. You can also see it sits pretty tall here too. This chair is at maximum right now. The PU leather is nice, though living in a hot climate like Taiwan, I'd likely put down a towel for comfort if I'd be sitting on it for hours. And the Sadie's Draco deserves a Platinum Award for excellent construction and customization. The problem I mentioned earlier during assembly doesn't affect this, as it's kind of a user error on my part, but could be made easier. During bolting on the base to the bottom of the chair, you need to remove the bolts, and even though I saw the washer and locking washer on the bolt, as the bolt cleared, the washers fell into the chair bottom before I could grab them. Worse, the design of the bottom meant I couldn't get them out no matter how I rolled or shook the chair upside down. Anyways, I was ready for the next 3 so I didn't lose more parts. So, I wish Sadie's might make them a little sticky so they don't immediately fall into the bottom to be lost forever if you're not 100% ready. Anyways, what a great chair, and it changed my opinion on gaming chairs in general with its quality appearance, functionality, and build. Thanks go to Sadie's for letting us check out the Draco gaming chair. So what are your must-haves for a gaming chair? Do you already have one that you love or have problems with? Let us know your experiences. And we always like to hear your ideas for upcoming episodes, so feel free to let us know what you'd like to see next. Please do hit that thumbs up button if you like this video, or tell us how we could improve for next time. To see more videos like this, please do subscribe for new content, and be sure to click that bell icon to get notified when we put up a new video. We always check the comments and we do respond to most, so if you have a question or if we missed something, then please do tell us down below. And let us know what you'd like to see next. Thank you all very much for watching, and see you again soon. Bye for now.